ever-expanding world relies on infrastructure to drive productivity. This places a heavy burden on assets underpinning our built environment and presents us with a unique set of challenges. Disparate information, disconnected workflows, and a lack of interoperability all create frustration and delays for those who need efficiency and connectedness the most. Over the last several years, Autodesk, an industry leader in design and engineering, and Esri, the leader in location intelligence, have formed an alliance to build integrated solutions that change the way you and your teams work. We started by connecting our customers to our two worlds through desktop tools. But as the way we work changes, we're also providing new digital workflows through cloud integration. Our technologies help accelerate your digital transformation, making collaboration and project delivery easier, whether you're designing a new road, building a dam, or managing assets. By understanding where tomorrow's challenges may impact physical assets, you can build resiliency in your infrastructure projects. And you can continue to accomplish optimal outcomes with less risks, increased quality and efficiency, while leveraging the core tools you already know. We are constantly investing in the solutions you need to be successful today and tomorrow. Bringing together the best of BIM and GIS, we can unlock digital opportunities and innovation that bolster your resilience against disruption. Let's continue to change the way in which the industry works to provide better outcomes. Esri and Autodesk, integrating the worlds of location intelligence to help you plan, design, build, and operate better. Together.